We are human being and we have no power to create anything or destroy anything. ना तो हम किसी चीज़ का निर्माण कर सकते हैं और ना ही विनाश कर सकते हैं. Only the God has the power to create anything. Then what we do? We can create the utility from the natural gifted from the God. We are creating the utility in the natural things and make it satisfactory for the human being, which satisfy the human wants. Our wants are unlimited and we all are running to satisfy our maximum wants. This is the reality. And in this way, we are forgetting the God, forgetting the nature, and we are getting nothing if the God is not gives these things for us. All necessities are given by the God freely. It is the free gift of the God. So we have to think it that God is the powerful then human being, and God is present so that we are survive in this world. If there is no God, we cannot be able to survive in this world. If nature will against with us, we cannot survive. One day we will destroyed by the nature for a second. If earthquake, if volcano, if heavy rain, if flood, these are the anger of the nature, anger of the God. So we have not to make the God angry. We have to worship the God. This is our duty also. Never forget God is not in the world with God is with us. He is watching every time. If you are doing bad work and you think that nobody is looking you, but God is looking every time to you. So you will alert that God is looking what we are doing. So every time we have to do good works, not bad works. You have a lot of money. You are very rich. But think that what is money? Money is everything. I agree. But my way, it is nothing. Money is nothing. Because we cannot eat the money. We cannot drink the money. We cannot wear the money. We can turn the money in any way, in anything. But if there is nothing, how can we turn our money into anything? If there is the thing, we can turn it. But if we have know the natural things, know the God-gifted thing, we cannot turn our money. So think it. Money is nothing. Money can only give the things which satisfy our needs. Money itself do not give satisfaction to any human body. Human can satisfy with the natural things like heat, light, water, air, etc. They are given by the God. Artificially, we can make them, but these are temporary. Our fooding items like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, sugar, anything we are eating, there comes from the nature. It is given by the God. We have no power to create these things. We are depend on the nature, and nature is the God. We do not forget it. God is giver and we are taker. We never think that we are the giver. We never become the giver because we cannot make anything by ourselves. We every time take help from the God, from the nature. So think that God is with us, who is helping us, and from our busy life we have to give some time to prayer of God, worship of God, doing yajna, making bhaktis, making kirtans, etc. It is very easy to saying Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. If you are not doing any yajna, any worship, any puja, any part, you can do only Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Because in the Kali Yuga, name of Rama and Krishna is the key word for reaching the God. So please pray the God like Hare Rama, Hare Krishna every day. It is your key to entering the Swarga or Mukti. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.